This one-pan penne alla Sorrentina recipe is as comforting as it gets. Experience Southern Italian simplicity and quality ingredients in every bite with that delicious combination of Napolina pasta, tomato sauce, mozzarella and fresh basil. In a skillet, add the Napolina olive oil and garlic, then add in the shallots and fry for 2 minutes until fragrant. Then pour in the Napolina Passata and season with salt and pepper to your liking, then simmer over a medium heat until the sauce starts to thicken. Next, add the cooked Napolina Penne Pasta to the rich tomato sauce and mix together well, followed by the mozzarella and a handful of basil leaves. Then finish with a little more Parmesan, then bake in the oven for 8 minutes at 200 degrees C until golden brown and bubbly. Then serve up into 2 bowls and enjoy this deliciously warming recipe using our not so humble ingredients.